Okay, let's take a look at number 2 from homework 17. They're asking for the indefinite integral of 2 times t to the negative fourth with respect to t. They're giving us, again, the box and the plus c. So they're throwing us this constant of integration for free. So what do we need to do? We need to follow our derivative rules. The first rule that we have, see, we're multiplying this here, this t to the negative fourth. Let me grab another writing utensil that's not quite as bold. This t to the negative fourth is a function, right? It's a function of t. And this 2 is just a constant. So we're multiplying a function by a constant. And we have a rule that tells us, I'll write it down here, that if you're taking the integral of a constant times a function, that's the same as taking the constant times the integral of the function. Okay, what does that mean? That means that I'm just going to take whatever the integral of the function is and multiply it by that constant. So that means up here that for the integral of 2t to the negative fourth dt, that's the same as 2 times the integral of t to the negative fourth dt, okay? So I'm going to have to, ultimately I'm going to be multiplying everything I come up with by 2. All right, so we've got 2. What's the integral of t to the negative fourth? Well, the rule for finding indefinite integrals of numbers that are raised to a power is you're going to add 1 to the exponent, so negative 4 plus 3, or negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3, and whatever you raised that exponent to, that's going to go in your denominator here, okay? So it's 2 times t to the negative third over negative 3. I raised the exponent by 1 and then copied that exact exponent down into my denominator, and then I have my plus c, right? Okay, the plus c comes after every single one of these indefinite integrals. Okay, so you can actually plug this in exactly like it is into the box here. If you wanted to simplify, you could. I mean, the most simple way that I think I could put it is negative 2 over 3t to the third power. That would be shifting everything around, but honestly, this answer here will work for you in WebAssign. Okay? So that was number 2. Make sure you are solid on your rules about what to do with taking integrals of functions, and also things like knowing that you're just going to be multiplying everything by 2, that you don't have to take an integral of 2 because you're just multiplying by a constant, that 2 is just going to kind of hang around for the entire question.